Microsoft Excel. Data validation. Data validation. Microsoft Excel data validation. So the data validation. Data validation. So select the data validation. So the settings, input messages, error alert. So before that, highlight the area. Highlight the area. Data validation. Settings. Validation criteria. Validation criteria. Say click on here, the whole number. So the data between, not between, equal to whatever you need. Say you can select from here. So the less than. So likewise, you can select everyone. So now I click on here, less than, maximum 100. Example 100. So then after that, okay. After that, okay. So this one setting, allow whole number, data less than, maximum 100. Input message, say you can type the title. So like software, say just put the title. So then input message, say you can enter less than 100. So error alert, warning, information, stop. So whatever you need, say you can select from here. So just click on warning. So likewise, software, error message. So your entered value is wrong. So then after that, okay. So input messages, settings, alert. Sorry, error alert. So likewise, every function, say you can type like this way. So now say then after that, okay. So the message coming on here, every boxes that highlighted area, only that validation rules, say that others, normal numbers. You can type normal numbers. So now select here. So just type on here 45. Say then 100. Your entered value is wrong. Continue. Say you put yes. So now 90. So now say 120. So your entered value is wrong. Right? Say then after that no. So you can change that. Say 70. So likewise you can type on here this with this validation. So the certain area. Correct? So likewise, so you highlight this one. So the data validation, settings, date, time, text length, whatever say you can type on here. The text length. So equal to 3. Equal to 3. So likewise, input messages, say everything, say you can type on here. Say input messages, once again, I type on here. Text length. So you can type your wish, you can type something. Text length. Equal to 3. So just type it like this way, equal to 3. Right, so the error alert also, you can type on here, say then software. So just type it wrong. So then okay. So the say the title software text length is equal to 3. So just type on here text length 4. Then cancel. So just type on here number. So this text length. So you can say you type number. So that particular area with different validation. You can enter different validation on the worksheet or spreadsheet. Right. So one more. So you can type like this way also. 100 with 50. Highlight this one. So then go to this data validation, settings, all numbers, between, I select the between. So later you check the others also, same as this way. So the minimum 100, sorry, minimum 50. So likewise, maximum 100. So likewise you can do, or otherwise type the numbers inside the box. So then messages, everything, say you can type on here. Error alert, you can type on here. So then after that, okay. Right, say now, say type on here 25. Entered value is wrong. So then less than 45, sorry, 50. So you can type on here 100. So 123. Right, say this one. Data validation. Microsoft Excel. Say the next unit. We can meet with the another unit. So you can practice like this way.